Lima, Ohio on October 31st. 2025 Lima Police Department LPD officers conducted a traffic stop on SD Johns Ave, just north of 2nd SD. There were 3 people inside the vehicle, including 35-year-old Emerson Jeffrey, who was sitting in the back seat. Because of the number of occupants, several officers responded to assist with the stop following department safety protocol. As officers approached the car, Officer Bryce Metz came up to the passenger side and began speaking with the occupant's body camera. Footage later revealed that Jeffrey tried to get Officer Metz's attention, saying something along the lines of "I'm about to do something, because that's who I am." He then told Officer Metz to have the 2 people in the front seats get out of here. When Officer Metz asked him what he meant, Jeffrey didn't respond. Officer Metz then directed another officer to remove Jeffrey from the vehicle. Almost immediately after Officer Metz gave that order, Jeffrey pulled out a handgun and opened fire, striking Officer Metz. Officer Metz fell to the ground, radioing that he had been hit, while other officers took cover and returned fire toward the suspect. During the exchange, Jeffrey and a front seat passenger were both struck. Once the gunfire stopped and the threat was contained, officers rushed in to perform life-saving measures on both Officer Metz and Jeffrey until medics arrived. Officer Metz was taken to Mercy Health SD Ritas in stable condition and later released to recover at home. No other officers required medical attention. Jeffrey was transported first to Lima Memorial Hospital, then airlifted to Ohio State's Wexner Medical Center in Columbus, where he remains under police supervision. A front seat passenger was injured during the incident, however was treated and released after a short time at Mercy Health SD Ritas. The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation (BCI) is now leading the independent review of the shooting, while the Lima Police Department conducts a separate criminal investigation into Jeffrey's